how to enable or disable the on or off labels on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, we swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then in the Accessibility page, tap on Display and Text Size. Then tap on the on or off labels toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once this is turned on, you can see on the button there is now a on or off indicator. This is the on indicator with an eye, and there is a shape like an O, which states it is now off. So the on or off will allow you to easily see the state of that function, whether it is active or inactive. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.